Step into the 2019 Honda CR-V. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.